You go on vacation, don't tell anyone. You pursue a training, don't tell anyone. You get promoted, don't tell anyone. 99% of the time, the reason our dreams don't come true when they should is that we open our mouths too early to the wrong people at the wrong times. We make the mistake of sharing our successes with people who claim to be friends. Remember, envy and jealousy are enough for people to feed off you and tear you down, so shut your mouth. Most of your friends want to see you succeed, but never better than them. And don't forget, even family members can harbor hidden envy, but they can't stop what God has planned for you. Leave us a thank you in the comments to support us. If you've watched this far, and don't forget to save this video now so you don't lose it. That way you can listen to it again later. Take care.